What is going on, everybody? As always, every week I'm bringing you 2 to 3 dividend investing trades so you can collect sweet dividends of what's coming this week. I am using Market Chameleon to do this, and you can find a link in the description below. But without being said, let's start with some dividend investing for the week. What's my strategy? Every week I go over Market Chameleon dividend screener. I search by X dividend date right here, and I put the next 7 days. Okay, I change all those options to common stocks, so I only want stocks, not ETF, none of that, REITs, MLRP, all that stuff. Just regular stocks that are paying dividend in the next 7 years. You need to buy shares 1 day before the X dividend date. Very important. If the X dividend date is on Tuesday, guys, you need to own shares by Monday 4 p.m. Eastern time when the market closes, and then you will receive the dividend. Doesn't matter if you sell on Tuesday or if you sell a week or a year later. All that matters is if you buy and hold shares 1 day before the X dividend date. Super important, guys. So let's see what we got for next week. Let me show you what I got. I filtered by yield. I like to go by highest yield to the lowest, and I just pick 2 or 3 picks from the 7% and up, like from the top 5 right here. So let's start with the first one, ticker symbol WHF, White Horse Financials. Okay, let's click on that. It says 9% yield, quarterly yield. X dividend date is March 25th, so you need to buy shares max by max 24, and then you get paid April 5th. You see, payday April 5th. So let's click and see what we got. WHF, price of $15.80 right here, guys. Next dividend March 25, 35 cents. Pretty awesome. So for every, let's say, 100 shares that you invest, $1,500 bucks, 1580, you get paid 35 bucks. What's wrong with that? Absolutely nothing. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, pretty awesome. 9% dividend yield for the year. You want to invest 15,000, you're gonna get, I don't know, 350 bucks, something like that. Not bad. Let's keep going, but you're gonna get basically 35 cents per share. Okay, next one on our list is this one, ticker symbol PBA, Pembina Pipeline, and this one is a monthly dividend, so every month they're paying dividend in a total of 8.4%. Pretty awesome. The X dividend is on March 24, so you need to have shares March 23 max, and you're gonna get paid about 3 weeks from now on April 15, which is pretty awesome. Let's click and see how much you get paid. Price today for this is the ticker symbol PBA, about 30 bucks. So let's say you invest 100 shares, that's $3,000, and you get paid 21 cents per share times 100, that's 21 bucks. So 21 bucks for every $3,000 that you invest. Keep in mind, this is a monthly one, so that's pretty awesome. Again, only have to hold shares 1 day before the X dividend date. You can sell on the payday, the X dividend date, or you can hold it for another day, week, month, year. Doesn't matter, it's up to you. All you need to do is hold shares on 1 day before X dividend date and get paid 8.4% monthly dividend yield of 21 bucks for every 100 shares that you own for PBA. Let me give you option number 3. There's a couple of options in here, guys. This one, E2Run, is paying 8.4%. Ferguson is paying 7.4%. PDO pays 7%. I want to show you those two. Those are 2 tobacco companies paying together on the quarterly. This one, BTI, British American Tobacco. Some of you asked me on my previous videos to do basically a fair value analysis of British American Tobacco. Keep in mind, they're paying dividend on March 25th. So you need to hold shares March 24 and get paid the May 17, 2 months from now. They increased their quarterly dividend by 10.2%, which is pretty awesome. Even if you hold shares, I think the price is around 40 bucks. I did an analysis in my head, I haven't posted it, it was around 33, and I saw the fair value of around 45 or something like that. Don't catch me on my word, but let's see how much they pay. Price today is 39 bucks, okay? And you get paid a dividend of 74 cents for every share. So let's say you buy 100 shares, let's call that $4,000 flat fee. So for every $4,000 that you invest, you get paid 75 bucks. And you're holding a very, very nice tobacco company, if this is your thing. A very good long-term value play. 6.8, and we do another one real quick. MooMoo, Alteria, another tobacco, another 6.8%. You can just pick one of the two if you think there is value in tobacco long term. Another one that pays on March 24th, so you need to hold shares one day before that, and they pay the dividend April 30. Let's see how much MooMoo Alteria pays. Price 50 bucks, and they pay 86 cents. So for every $5,000 that you invest, you get paid another $86. All you have to do is hold shares one day prior to the ex-dividend day. One more that caught my eye, guys. This is right here. Look at this, special. This is why I love Market Chameleon, mostly for the selling options for income that I do. That's the major part. That once a week I do the dividend investing. That's a different side of Market Chameleon. And look at this company SC, okay, Standard Consumer. This is a quarterly. They pay 3.3%, and they also pay this one a special dividend right here, special dividend of another 22 cents, which is another 3.3%. So instead of 22, you're actually getting 44 cents. And as long as the ex-dividend date is March 26th, so you need to hold shares March 25th, and you get paid March 31st, basically a couple of days later, which is that's the best ones that you buy, and less than a week later the money, dividend money, hits in your account March 31st twice, this here and this here. And they only announced this special deal. Look at this, announced it March 19, like yesterday, like 2 days ago on Friday. It's pretty awesome. They just announced it. I get 44 cents on this one. Let's see how much is in total. So click here. SC, that's the sticker symbol SC. Price, let's call it, I don't know, 27 bucks just for the example. And I'm getting 44 cents per share, not 22. Just double my money. So let's say I invest 100 shares, 2,607. Let's call it 2,700 bucks. So every 2,700 bucks, I get paid $44. I go over this list every single weekend to see what I can buy for next week. There's 9%, 8.4, 8.4, 7.4, 7, 6, 8, 6, 8, etc., etc. Some names I know, some names I don't, but it doesn't matter as long as they pay the dividend. That's what matters the most. And if you think about building wealth using dividend investing strategy, I highly recommend Market Chameleon. You can grab a copy in the description below. 7 days trial. After that, pick your own program. I like to do options, selling options for income, and the dividend investing. But that's just me. It's the 99 bucks a month. Other programs are a little less. You can do one for 69 a month, 33 a month, etc. Just check it out. But sign up for 7 days free trial, and everything is open for you. Options, dividend, etc. I hope you took these trades. I hope you will take these trades and make some money. Leave a comment below when those dividends hit your account. It's the best feeling in the world. As always, guys, if I bring you any sort of value, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, all that good stuff. We did dividend investing. We're gonna do option selling for income next, either on YouTube or my Patreon. All those stuff in the description below. Check out. I got tons of valuable links that you can use to your own benefit. I hope this was valuable. Subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Yep.